I'm gonna finish this. Smoking this real quick. Bitch standing over here shit. We can wait till she goes away because I'm self-conscious. Shit. Quit doing that, dude. When this bitch leaves, I'm self-conscious. Alright, fuck him. Just here, point at me. Point at motherfucker. I'm dropping this fucking beat, fucking bitch. Yeah, when I get the munchies late at night, I hit the Waffle House. Got some pretty good food at a decent price. Plus it's open all night. Walk through the front door, what I got in my sight. Waitresses looking like they smoke crack all night. It's alright. I sit down at the nearest booth. She said, can I take your order? I said, check it, dude. I want some hash brown, smother covered chunk dice, pepper cat with a large vanilla Sprite, and a bacon, egg, and cheese wrap. Yeah, I'm kinda high, so I go to the bathroom. Glance at the cookie, got some Pokemon tattoos. Go inside on the wall, what the fuck is that, dude? Black magic is the shit. Yeah, that's my crew. Take a piss, come back there, six my food. Smash the shit down, now it's time for dessert, dude. Let me get a whole pie, triple chocolate. She bring me back the bill, so I reach in my pocket. $16.29, no cash in my wallet. Pull out the credit card. Said, bitch, charge it. She said, cash only, sir. I said, what, bitch? I ain't paying for this shit. Yeah, here's a tip. Do something with your hair, bitch. So I left, and I ain't been back since. Look at this ghetto shit going on around us. Look, these motherfuckers is like fighting and shit at the fucking Waffle House. Hell no, nigga. Hell nah. Hell the fuck no. What the fuck? That's some random shit. Hold up. Look at this shit. See, I told you, man. This shit.
Hold on. Did she hit
Look, there's the Pokemon tattoo. Look. He has Pokemon tattoos. I'm telling you.
Hold on. I can't zoom in on like.
No, Jack. He has Pokemon tattoos. I was not playing with you. Look at this shit.
The Waffle House, bitch, where the fun's never stop.
Look, there he is. Look at him. Hold up. You got
I'm gonna try. I can't get him that good.
He's walking over there. He's ain't social off here. He likes Pokemon and shit. I'm gonna get off here though. But yeah.